Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I came with a very productive video. This video gives you the loads of information regarding the force and other factors related to it. So watch this video till end and collect all the required information which are really needful for you, and it will come for you to study force and other physical quantities, physical factors related to the force. So collect all the information for your future aspects. Today I want to discuss over the force of friction. As we know that there are different kinds of the force, such as gravitational force, magnetic force, mechanical force, muscular force, and force of gravitation is also a kind of the force among them. So I shall discuss over the force of friction in detail today. First, we should know what is force. Force is that factor which try to change the shape and conditions of an object. If we apply the force on a particular object, it means we want to change the state of that object or want to change the shape of that object. If the object is stationary and if we apply the greater force than that of the opposing force by that body, then body begin to move or change its place. Sometimes the force changes the shape and volume of an object. So force is of different kinds. About the force, kinds of the force like muscular force, gravitational force, magnetic force, all these are discussed in my earlier video. So I want to discuss more and more about the force of friction. Force of friction is also a kind of the force. It generally arises when two bodies come in close touch to each other. The surface of the two bodies should be touched to each other. Then a kind of the force which is known as the force of friction is arise there. Force of friction is also called the opposing force. When a body moves over the surface of other body, the other body oppose in direction of movement of that moving body, and that opposing force is called force of friction. Then force of friction is generally arise when surface of two bodies touch each other. Force of friction depends on a few factors like nature of surface. Here nature of surface means rough surfaces produce more force of friction in respect to a smooth surfaces, because all the surface of any kinds of the body are not absolute smooth. There are some tiny holes, there are some roughness on the surface of that body. If you take the example of mirror is also about the mirror, we know that it has the very smooth surface, but there is also a tiny holes that cannot be seen with our naked eye are present in the mirror also. But except the mirror is smooth, we know it very well, and there is a less friction if you walk on the mirror or if somebody moves on the mirror. So mirror has the smooth surface and it creates the less friction. So it is quite impossible, it is very difficult to move on a mirror. But the surface on which we move or the surface on which the other living body move are having a loads of the tiny holes, loads of the rough surfaces. That rough surfaces produce the friction when the body begin to move over it. Friction is generally arise when the two surfaces interlock each other. Here interlocking means if one surface moves on the other surface, the roughness, the place of the roughness which come in the path of that moving object goes and lock. So to get it free of interlock, the moving body has to apply more force, and to neutralize, to oppose the force, the first surface of the first object apply the force. Hence we want to say that frictional force is generally arise when two bodies come in close touch with each other, and the surfaces are now get interlocked. So here interlocking means the force of friction is arise there. Interlocking are happen more in rough surfaces in respect to a smooth surfaces. So force of the friction arises more on rough surfaces, by rough surfaces in respect to a smooth surfaces. Now we want to discuss कि not only the rough surfaces affect the force of friction, but other things is also which affect the friction, or in other words we can say the other things also on which the force of friction depend. That thing is weight of the body. Here weight, there is the difference between mass and weight. Mass is generally known by the total quantities, total particles with which the matter is composed of is known the mass. Mass is the total quantity, total constant of the matter. But weight is a kind of force. It is noted by W, and its value is mass into acceleration due to gravity, m into g. In other words, we can say its unit is also the Newton, because it is a kind of the force, we know it very well. So the force of friction also depend on the mass of the body. It means heavier body receive the larger force of friction, and the lighter body receive the smaller force of friction. Heavier body means like truck, lorries, elephants, and some other body like this receive the more friction if he walks on the smooth or rough surfaces. Because the weight of the body is directly proportional to the force arises by the surface. So heavier body receive the more friction in respect to the lighter object. Third factor on which the force of the friction depends on that the area of contact. If the area of contact is larger, force of friction will be larger. Area of contact will be smaller, force of friction will be smaller. Now we want to discuss each frictional force or force of friction is beneficial or not beneficial or harmful. It is true that a smooth surface create the less friction, that it is quite difficult, not easy to move on the smooth surfaces, but too much rough surfaces also create the too much friction. So too much rough surfaces is also not allowed to move smoothly. It means we cannot move smoothly, we cannot run, we cannot walk smoothly also on the too much rough surfaces. A potential, a moderate rough surface is a good one, because we walk, we run, we move due to the force of friction. If the force of friction does not create, we cannot move. Due to the force of friction, we move, we walk, we run, or the athletes run, as well as the players wear the shoes having the nails due to the create the more friction and overcoming the chances of falling down. The tires of the vehicles also having the grooving, because they should create the friction and move easily and overcoming the chances of get accident. So friction is necessary here for everything, and due to overcome the friction, like industry, machines, and the boats, aeroplanes, and some other things like this, which they always always remain in a state of running, working, and they receive the heavy friction. So there is a some system to overcome the force of the friction. In machine we use the lubricant oil, greasing, it get a smoothen the surface, and so the force of friction get minimized. In body of the boat, ship, and aeroplane are designed such in fashion that they receive the less amount of the friction. So the ship, the body of the ship at the bottom are made very smooth, so that less friction of water should be produced and less friction of water should be received by that boat or ships. In aeroplane, their shapes, their designs are so made that less amount of the friction of air should be produced there. So friction force is necessary, and we get a lots of the advantage due to the force of friction. But too much friction, too much force of friction also creates the loss of damages. Resistance, if I talk about the resistance, we can say that this is also a kind of frictional force, because the electric current which passes through the conductor feel some resistance, some opposing force, and that opposing force is created by the particles of that metal body or the conductor through which the electric current pass. So the conductor through which the electric current pass get heated. So I think the force of the friction, or generally we say the frictional force or friction, about which can get lots of information by this video, or we can say that lots of information we can take from this video regarding the force of friction or frictional force from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button and like it also, and also send me the comment about it. And if you want to know more and more on some other topics, also send me. I shall try my best to take and discuss in detail over all the topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.